Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's side view mirrors on this Polaris RZR Turbo. So let's jump right in. The first thing you're going to do once you get your mirrors out of the box is grab your clamps. Just want to take the screw out of it. And we're going to take our clamp, we're going to put it about halfway up the cage, quarter way up the cage. Then we'll take our mirror here and we'll slide it into the grooves. And we'll take the threaded stud and we'll just slide it right through the clamp on the top and bottom. And we'll grab our two screws, reach up through here, just like that. And we'll go ahead and we'll fully tighten our screws. So we'll just take 2 Allen wrenches here. And once we have them tight, you can see our mirrors facing straight down. So obviously that's not going to work for us. But the awesome thing about our mirrors is that they're completely adjustable. All you have to do is reach in here with an 8mm wrench and loosen this bolt on the top as well as on the bottom. And once you get them loosened, you can get it so your mirror sits straight up. You just want to go through, tighten your bolts back down. You're going to get them nice and tight, that way they don't want to back off on you. And we're going to kind of adjust it a little bit to where we think we want it, and we're going to hop in the driver's seat. So all you have to do is just push on the mirror to get it adjusted where you like it. Right about there is where I want my mirror. You know, you can mount your mirror up higher, lower, anywhere you'd like. We're going to be installing some cube lights to the cage of this machine, so I decided, you know, that's exactly where I want to mount my mirror at. So that's what we did on this side. Now we're going to repeat the same exact steps on this opposite side over here. We'll just try to get it in the same exact spot as we did on the opposite side. If you want to, you can take a tape measure and measure up the cage to get it lined up perfectly. What we're going to do is we're just going to get our screws in here. We're going to step back and take a look at it. So it looks like we got them nice and lined up. We're just going to go ahead and tighten our hardware. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to hop in the machine. So right about there is where I want it. And there you have it. In just a few minutes, you can have SuperATV side view mirrors installed on your machine, ready to hit the trail. For more information on these mirrors or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.